All right, what's up everybody? Today we're going inside the gym. I'm gonna show you me doing a workout. It's gonna be a CrossFit workout and some accessory work, and there's gonna be a lot of sweating, there's gonna be a lot of pain, a lot of ugly faces, but I want to show you that you can rock a hair system and you can do this. And in fact, you'll probably see other people in the gym with me. It's not something I feel conscious or I feel nervous about whatsoever. This is something that you can do. This is something that is totally possible. So all the questions up front you're probably asking is I'm wearing a French lace with a poly border, got tape on, and from what I'm seeing, it lasts around 2 to 3 weeks right now. I'm sweating my buns off, and it's about 85 degrees, 90 degrees Fahrenheit, around 32 to 33 degrees Celsius, which is very spicy, very caliente for me to be sweating. And there's no AC inside of the gym. So this is about as hot as it gets. This is about as rough as it gets. And it's still possible. It will decrease the bond, and it will kill the bond a little bit quicker than if you're just doing weightlifting and basic training like that. Especially if you're in an air-conditioned room, it can last way longer. I've gone over a month without having to replace tape before in the past, but I want to show you the intensity at which I bring it and how much I'm sweating. You're gonna see it after. I'm gonna show you an after one. I'm gonna talk about what I'm doing here. You're gonna see, like, I'm gonna remove a shadow of a doubt that this is something that you can do. So follow along with me on my workout here, and we'll chat after. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we are going to do some Romanian deadlifts supersetted with some glute bridges. So this is gonna be some more traditional weightlifting style stuff as like a warm-up. We call it a skill in CrossFit. It's more weight training or Olympic training and things like that. And then after, we're gonna do a high intensity interval training session. Let's get it. As you can see, I've already got a nice little sweat going on. We just got done with 5 sets of Romanian deadlift, followed by 5 single leg glute bridges on each side. You can see I'm sweating right now, right? It's just starting. I'm pretty sweaty, but so you're probably wondering why I wear a hat. Do I need to wear a hat? Is that necessary? No, it's not necessary. I guess for me, it's like a security blanket, but I've worked out without it on. I like having the hat on because it makes me feel like I don't have to worry about it. But I have worked out with it off, and it's just as good. I don't notice any heat differences. So the reason, like I said to you before, that I use French lace with a poly border is because it's very breathable. There's 4 quadrants in my unit. Basically, the entire center of the unit is mesh instead of polyurethane, which allows for breathability, allows for that heat, which, keep in mind, your head is the predominant that is where most of the heat escapes through your body, is your head. So if you trap that in, you're gonna start overheating, but it's also gonna be super uncomfortable if you just have a polyurethane unit on. So it has been night and day. Like, I can't even tell you, I don't even feel like I don't overheat or anything like that. I mean, I'm hot because it's freaking hot down here, but I'm not hot because of the unit. So I'm about to go in there and we're about to crush this workout. So it's gonna be 50 calories on the bike, followed by 50 jumps, box jumps at 30 inches, followed by 25 calories on the bike, followed by 25 30-inch box jumps. 4 times as fast as possible. By the time I'm done with this, you're gonna see I'm gonna be sweating my face off. I'm gonna probably fall off the bike. I hate the bike. Let's go. I just got done with that workout. 8 minutes, something seconds, 15 seconds, I think. I lost count on the set of 15 or 50 step ups, which I was doing jump ups. So someone on the YouTube comments is probably gonna fact check me and be like, dude, you did 47? Yeah, well, shut up. As you can see, guys, I'm drenched. I'm also having to do multiple outtakes because I'm cursing like a sailor. I can barely breathe. But as you can see, I'm drenched. I actually don't feel itchiness in my unit, which is awesome. It's the problem I definitely had with poly. Every time I'd work out, I felt like I had to like scratch my head with a giant fork or something. I don't feel like that with this. Anyways, so this is good. I enjoy it. I mean, I don't enjoy the workout, but as you can see, I work out really hard and I sweat a lot. Like, there's a pool. I just sat down, there's already a pool below me. One of the nice things about the French lace interior, it probably sounds weird, but I can feel the sweat coming through the system. And I actually like that because one, it also makes a more even appearance, like with the poly. When you sweat a lot, you get this weird thing going on where like the sides of your head, the hair is wet, and so it loses volume, and it also looks way darker. With the poly unit though, the hair system, it actually doesn't get wet. It'll get like a little bit damp depending on how hard you're lifting and if you get some water in it, but it won't look like your other hair. It's not a big deal. If it was my only option, I wouldn't care. No one ever noticed it in the gym, but it is noticeable, whereas this right here will actually kind of take on the impression of the rest of your bio hair. So in that sense, it's good. Let me know, guys, if you want to see more of this content like this of me doing workouts. I'd like to do even better videos. Like one, I'm on my iPhone right now, so the quality's not great, but I would love to do like more cinematic videos. I need somebody to help me, but I just want to show the lifestyle, guys, like what is possible to do with these things. Not some goofy Lord hair ad, the guys in the gym and the girls looking at him and she's feeling his muscles. Like, that's not real. It's bull crap. I can't stand those ads. I guess Lord Hair is probably not gonna sponsor me now, but oh well. But anyways, guys, ooh, contact. Anyways, guys, this stuff is possible. Feel free to reach out, talk to me, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. But that last one's so important to me. If you don't do anything else, do that one thing, hit the notification bell. It'll tell you when my videos go up, so you can see it. All right, so we'll catch you soon.